Guys, just look at this wallet. As you can see, the PNL is very low. The win rate is even less than 40%. And definitely this wallet is terrible for copy trading. But I have to tell you that we can use a very new strategy to turn this wallet into a very profitable one for copy trading. The good thing about this new strategy is no one copy trade a wallet like this because of the low win rate and low PNL. And if we can turn this into a very profitable one, we can easily copy trade him. There is no one else who can front run us because he doesn't have any copy trader. This video has two parts. Basically, in this part, I'm going to show you how you can find some wallets like this, how you can turn them into a very profitable ones. Also, I'm going to show you best TradeWiz setting because TradeWiz is the bot that I'm using for copy trading. You can find the link to this bot in the video description. I even had a video about comparing different copy trading bots. You can watch that video. After showing you all of these, in the next part and in the next video, I'm going to use the same strategy and I'm going to show you some live copy tradings. This is great because you can see if this strategy works or not. But before I dive into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, turn the notification on, and also join my Telegram channel, FriDev. Every day I'm going to share some great wallets for copy trading on my channel. The link is in the video description. Now let's get into it. When it comes to this wallet, as you can see, in total he lost money, but he had many great trades. For example, let's look at this one. He made 112% profit. Or for example, let's look at this one. He made 170% profit. This one, 131% profit. Or let's look at this one, 33% profit. So he had many great trades, but in total he lost money. If we set some limits, we can turn this into a very profitable wallet and only get into some positions like this one. For doing this, I'm using a premium tool called Zelfigru. You can find the link to this bot in the video description. I had another video reviewing this bot. Basically, in that video, I showed you how you can use the profitable wallets channel. But in this video, we're gonna use the Ultra channel. They recently released the V2 version for Ultra, and this is insane. This is actually a game changer in the game of copy trading. Just click on the link in the video description. Go to Ultra channel. Every day they share some reports like this. Just download it. Now just go to docs.google.com, create a new sheet, and then click on File, Open. In here, Upload, and we have to upload the report in this section. Okay guys, now we can see the report. In the first section, we have all the Ultra wallets. And in here, we have the number of trades that passed the Ultra requirements. For example, when it comes to this wallet address, he could have something around 100 trades, but only 12 of them passed the Ultra requirements. How we can find these requirements? Just copy the wallet, go to, Ultra channel, and in the search bar, just paste the wallet address. In here, you can see the minimum market cap should be $124,000 market cap, and the minimum purchase by the wallet should be 0.5 SOL. We actually have to set these two requirements on TradeWiz bot. I'm going to show you how you can do it and the best settings for that. But these two are actually the requirements. And 12 trades were eligible for Ultra. And from these 12, as you can see, the take profit suggested by the Zelfigru team is 16%. We should add this to TradeWiz bot. And the TP win rate is 83%. This means 83% of these 12 trades gave at least 60% profit. This is actually very interesting to know. So basically, if we can find some wallets with high number of trades, high TP and high TP win rate, we can actually use them for copy trading. Basically, I really want to set some filters. Just click on one of these, for example, this one. Let's click on trades. In here, just click on filters, create a filter. You can see these actually changed. For the trades, filter by condition, and I want greater than. I want to have more than at least 4 trades. So in here you can see all the wallets that at least had 4 to 5 trades or more than that. Because less than that, we can't trust the data. For take profits, filter by condition, again, greater than or equal to 60%. We can see some limited wallets. For the TP win rate, I want 60% as well. So filter by condition, again, greater than or equal to, let's say 60. Now we can see these wallets. For example, look at this one. He had 5 trades, 160% take profit is suggested by Zelfi Guru team, and 60% of these trades actually reached to this number. This is amazing. Or this one, look at this one. 80% of the time, this wallet gave at least 70% profit. You were able to take profit at this level. If you're looking for more wallets, you can easily play around with these filters. For example, we can change the TP win rate or decrease the TP. For example, for trades, I said greater than. I want to be greater than or equal to 4. And you can see, for example, another wallet added in here. You can find many great wallets using this strategy. Okay, guys, let's actually pick one of these wallets. For example, I really like this one. Let's copy that, go to GMGN website and paste it in here. As you can see, the win rate is very low. The PNL is minus 22%. And he had something around 72 transactions, 72 purchases over the last 7 days. But let's actually go to the Ultra channel and paste this wallet. As you can see, in here only 6 trades had these requirements: minimum market cap and minimum purchase. And from these 6 trades, 60% of them reached minimum 179% profit. So if you set this TP 60% of the times, you were able to reach this number. This is a very interesting tool. I really love this one. You can even have a stop loss. This is actually one of the differences between the V2 version and V1. In V1, they didn't have a stop loss, but now you can even set up your stop loss based on this number. I'm going to show you how you can do that. We have insiders and OG coins. Personally, I don't care about these two information that much. For example, some tokens that gives, the trader 50 to 100% profit, they consider it as insider, but OG coins are some tokens with insane profits, like, for example, 300%, 400%. And now in here, we can see some interesting data as well. 70% of his trades reached to something around 400% profit, or even more than that. 50% of them reached to 150 or even more than that. Keep that in mind that this 70% already calculated in this 50% as well. The same for all the others, because if a token gives 150% profit, it already gave 100%, 50%, and 25% profit as well. This is very interesting data. However, I usually look at the TP and the TP win rate. This shows everything to me. You can see the average buy sum. This is the amount of SOL he bought for each token. For example, he bought 5 SOL, 5 SOL. You can see all these purchases are based on these minimum buy requirements, and that's the reason all of them passed these. And in here you can see how many X's he was able to get. For example, for this one, this is 1. This means actually he didn't make profit or he didn't lose anything. But this is 6. This means he made almost a 6x, 600% profit. That's I suppose this one, the 70%. This is almost the same. You can see the market cap when he bought the token. For example, he bought the token at $250,000 market cap and he sold at the same level. Actually, keep that in mind that you don't always have to set this TP. For example, let me actually show you. In here you can see 33% of them reach 179%. But when it comes to 25% profit, 83% of these 6 trades reach to this number. So rather than 179%, if you set your take profit at 25%, you can basically have 83% win rate. So you can actually decide and put your take profits in different levels. Now let's actually take a look at TradeWiz, and I'm going to show you some settings that you have to make sure to set. Let's actually copy everything in here. Now let's go to TradeWiz. At the time that I'm recording this video, TradeWiz bot is down due to some maintenance issues. This gonna fix pretty soon. Just click on the bot's link in the video description. Then click on copy trade. After clicking on that, you can see a page like this. You can actually add your wallet. You can see tag, target, and etc. You have to set all the settings exactly like this. For the tag, just write a name for it. For example, test1, target wallet, paste the wallet in here. For example, I want to copy trade this wallet. I have to write it in here. Buy percentage should be 100%, and max buy and min buy is really depends on your budget. For example, in the next video, I'm gonna have a live copy trading challenge, and I'm gonna start with 1 SOL. And in that challenge, my max buy and min buy gonna be 0.1 SOL or maximum 0.15 SOL. Total investment is very important. For example, if this wallet with this max buy and min buy buys 4 tokens, we can only copy trade 3 of them because we will exceed this total investment amount. This means we can only invest 3 tokens by this trader. So my suggestion is to have this number maximum 3 times higher than this. So if this is 0.1 SOL, this should be 0.3 SOL, or if this is 0.2 SOL, this should be 0.6 SOL. But in the challenge that I'm gonna have, I wouldn't risk too much money on each wallet, so I'm gonna stick with 2x, 2 times higher than this one. So if I start with 0.1 SOL, the total investment gonna be 0.2 SOL. This really depends on you, but this is the suggestion by the Zelfie Guru team. Each token buy times should be 1. Buy times reset after sold should be false. Do not copy additional buys should be true. Make sure these 2 are set at don't buy. This is actually a security issue. If for example, the liquidity hasn't burned, we don't want to buy the token. For the trader's transaction max limit, it's not important at all, but trader's transaction min limit is quite important. For example, for this wallet, the minimum buy should be 0.5 SOL. So we should set 0.5 SOL for trader's transaction min limit. Here's an important thing. When it comes to Zelfie Guru and the Ultra feature, it only works for Radium tokens. So make sure the pump tokens are false the meteora is also false and moonshot is false. Only radium should be true. For min LP, there is no limit. If you want, you can actually set, but this is the suggested settings by the Zelfig routine. Max market cap is not important. For min market cap, this is very important. You should set it exactly like this. For example, in here, the minimum market cap is 122. Set that exactly like that. Copy sell, we don't want to copy sell. This is very important. We basically set take profit and stop loss, and we don't sell the tokens manually. Make sure these are false as well. Auto retry, you can set it at 3. This means if TradeWiz can't get into the position, it will try again. I like this feature. First copy sell percentage should be false. For the buy gas fee and sell gas as a buy tip, you can actually set all of these at something around 0.001, both for gas fee and also buy tip. You can set it at this number. The same for selling, or you can stick with these settings exactly like this. Anti-MEV should be check. For the slippage, you can set it at 18%. Since we don't buy pump tokens, the slippage for that is not important, and this is very important. When it comes to take profit and stop loss, you can actually use the ultra suggestions. This is for a stop loss, you can set it -50, and for take profit, you can actually set this to, for example, 50%. Set your first stop loss or TP at 50%. You can add another TP at, for example, 179%. Because if we set this at 50 or 25%, we can have higher win rate. This is really depends on the amounts that you invest. For example, if you invest 0.1 sol, really 25% profit doesn't worth, because you have to pay for the gas. However, for example, 50% really worth it. You can set your first take profit at this stage. For the next settings, you can click on add, and in this way you can add the wallet. And here's a very important thing to know. After you created the wallet, you can actually click on copy the settings, and for the next wallet you don't have to set all these settings. Everything will set for you. Also, this is something that you can consider. If the token that you buy has more than 4 days edge, better to get out of that position, because based on experience, some older tokens usually don't perform very well. However, this is really depends on your strategy. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, because in the next video I'm going to have a very interesting copy trading challenge like this video, and definitely join my Telegram channel. I'm going to share all the wallets in here. Cheers viewers, hope to see you in my next videos.